While the Department of Social Welfare and Development, or DSWD, as well as the Department of Labor and Employment, or DOLE, are continuing efforts to assist our disaster-stricken countrymen, the government is also investing in ways to better prepare for the possible impact of a weather disturbance in the future. Rachel Beltran has more details.
The Department of Social Welfare and Development, or DSWD, had already distributed more than 1.2 billion pesos worth of assistance to Filipinos affected by the inclement weather in the past weeks. This include 1.9 million family food packs, nearly 15,000 non-food items, more than 23,000 ready-to-eat meals, and 14.3 million pesos financial assistance.
Going pa rin yung isinasagawa nating pagtulong sa ating pong mga kababayan. At present, ang national stockpile po natin ng mga family food packs nasa mahigit 3.6 million pa po yan, preposition sa iba't ibang warehouses ng DSWD.
In an interview with Radyo Pilipinas, the Department of Labor and Employment meanwhile reported profiling of 13,709 beneficiaries under the TUPAD program, amid the damages caused by the recent monsoon rains and other weather disturbances.
At para mabigyan po ng trabaho po na maglinis, mag-ayos po ng mga naapektuhang lugar. Nandun din po kami sa pakikipag-ugnay sa DSWD. May mga TUPAD beneficiaries po kami na uma-assist sa mga repacking po ng mga relief goods.
The government is also intensifying its flood mitigation and disaster prevention efforts to enhance the protection for vulnerable communities. The Department of Budget and Management has allocated 1 billion pesos to strengthen the country's AI-powered flood forecasting and disaster prevention systems with Project NOAA. According to Project NOAA Executive Director Dr. Mahar Lagmay, more than half of the funding will be used to acquire advanced equipment, including LiDAR drones or light detection and ranging mapping technology.
Susubukan namin tumulong doon sa ating mga national government agencies, sa mga local government units, para hindi lang yung baha ang tinitignan natin, hindi lang yung ulan, kung ano ang impact nito sa mga komunidad.
Through the project, authorities are expected to determine in advance where flooding is likely to happen, giving everyone more opportunity for a timely and anticipatory action. Rachel Beltran, IBC News.